Welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a very delicious 3 tomato gravy with dried anchovies or nethali. This is a very delicious and tangy gravy which goes very well with rice. These 3 tomatoes or pulicha katrika in Tamil are readily available in hill stations. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So let's get started. Let's see the ingredients for the gravy. I've taken 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, about half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 15 shallots or small onions which is finely chopped, a few curry leaves, about 4 green chilies which is slit, about 3 large tomatoes which is finely chopped, about 10 garlic cloves which is crushed. I've taken 2 packs of 3 tomatoes which is peeled, about 3 potatoes which is peeled and cut into 4, and about 2 packets of dried anchovies or nethali. Now let's wash the 3 tomatoes, peel it nicely and cut it into 2. This is how it looks after the 3 tomatoes are cut into 2. It has a nice tangy flavor. Now let's start making the gravy. Now take a pan. When the pan is nice and hot, let's add about 3 tablespoons of gingerly oil, into the hot oil, let's add about 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of urad dal, also half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Now stir fry it till the urad dal is nice and golden brown. At this stage, let's add the shallots and the chopped garlic. Let's also add the curry leaves and the slit green chilies. And stir fry all the ingredients. When the shallots and garlic turn nice and golden brown, let's add the chopped tomatoes. Today I've taken about 3 large tomatoes which is finely chopped. And stir fry all the ingredients together. Now let's add about 2 tablespoons of chili powder. You can alter the chili powder according to your taste, and about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Let's also add about 1 large teaspoon of salt and stir fry till the tomatoes get nice and mushy. Now let's add a little water so that the tomatoes does not stick to the bottom, and it gives some time to the tomatoes to cook and gets nice and mushy. At this stage, let's add the potatoes which is peeled and cut into 4. I've taken about 3 large tomatoes. Now in a pan, let's heat some oil. I've washed the anchovies with some hot water, and let's add it into the hot oil and fry it till they are nice and crispy and keep it aside. We need the coconut milk, the first and the second milk from 1 coconut, and keep it aside to add later to the gravy. Now you can see that our tomatoes are nice and mushy. At this stage, let's add the second milk which we extracted from 1 coconut. and let it boil till the potatoes are nice and soft. Close the pan with the lid and let it boil for about 10 minutes. Now you can see our fried anchovies or nethili. The dry fish is ready. Let's keep it aside in a tissue paper so that all the oil is well drained and absorbed. Let's check the gravy. It has been boiling for about 10 minutes. Now our potatoes are well cooked. At this stage, let's add the fried anchovies or nethili fish, which is nice and crispy. Let it boil for another 10 minutes. Let's check. You can see that our potatoes, the anchovies have all been cooking for about 10 minutes. At this stage, let's add the thick coconut milk or the first milk, which we have extracted earlier from the coconut. Always remember to add the first milk at last and the second milk goes first. At this stage, check the seasoning and add about half a cup of tamarind pulp, which I've extracted from 1 lime size of tamarind. Finally, let's add the peeled 3 tomatoes. The 3 tomatoes cook very quickly, so always remember to add the 3 tomatoes or pulicha katrika finally when the gravy is almost ready to serve. Let it boil for another 2 minutes. You can see that our 3 tomatoes are well cooked. That's it, friends. Our delicious 3 tomato gravy with dried anchovies is absolutely ready. Serve it with a hot rice. This is a very delicious, tangy recipe. Do try this recipe. Cooking with a happy mind and dedication enhances the flavor of the dish that we cook. Hope you like the recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.